Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Headset and controller are on and paired. Once done, set both device and Xbox Cloud app volumes to about 50 to 75% so you have headroom for adjustments. Make sure you are on a stable network. 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired connection gives lower latency and fewer dropouts. Now open the Xbox Cloud gaming session and unlock the on-screen controls. This starts the real troubleshooting, so you don't waste time on guesses. You should now focus on the session's audio routing. From the in-game overlay, open audio settings and confirm the output device is your headset, not device speakers. Once confirmed, switch between stereo and spatial audio to see which fixes dropouts or muffled sound. Spatial helps on compatible headsets, but stereo is more stable. Also, make sure no other audio app or Bluetooth multiplexer is stealing the stream. Quit or disable them. After each change, play a few seconds to verify the effect. Finish by restarting the cloud session, and if needed, rebooting your headset and controller. This clears cached audio routes. Once done, check for firmware updates for your headset and controller and install any app updates. Updated drivers often resolve compatibility issues. If sound still fails, switch to a wired connection or try another device to isolate the problem. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is absent but chat works, change the output device in the session. Audio routing is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.